Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss MCQ of air pollution, a hidden menace of class 10th English book. So let's come to the first question. The most tragic industrial accident occurred at which city? The right answer is Bhopal. Next question. A man can live without food for a month. Next question. The water intake of a normal adult is dex per day. The right answer is 25 per day. Next question. Inhalation of polluted air leads to dex disorder. The answer is option C, respiratory disorder. Next question. Question number 5. The polluted air makes our decks garbage dump of pollutant. The right answer is lungs. Next question. Greater Kolkata spew about dex tons of pollutant into atmosphere. So the right question is option number B. Next question. Trees are killed by pollution from answer is power plants. Next question. Our throats become dexed due to air pollution. So answer is our throat became scratchy due to air pollution. Next question. Dex has affected 4,000 lakhs in Sweden. So answer is acid rain. Due to acid rain, the 4,000 lakes in Sweden are affected. Next question number 10. The deeper fish live in the river of Central Wales. The answer is Central Wales. Next question. Acid rain is gradually destroying the world famous monuments in Athens. So option is Athens. Next question. There are Dex basics approach to control air pollution. So the answer is 3. There are 3 basic approach to control air pollution. Next question. Burning low sulfur coal and oil in factory has dex pollution in many city. So the answer is lower pollution in many city. Next question. The control device is emission system are expensive. So answer is expensive. Next. Acid rain damage the nutrient content of soil. Answer is option A, soil. Next, often pollution control means higher prices. Answer is C. Next, cattle have been poisoned by the answer is C, the fumes from the smelters. Next question. How much food does an average adult consume a day? So answer is option A, 1.5 kg food an adult consume per day. Next question. What do industry burn to produce steam? So answer is option number D, coke, coal and furnace oil. Next. The maximum gas released by automobiles into the atmosphere is, the answer is carbon monoxide. Next, beside other chemicals, acid rain contain oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. Option number B. Next, what is used as refrigerant? So answer is chlorofluorocarbon. Next question. One difficult is that pollutant may be carried out by the decks from one country to another country. So answer is due to wind. Next, last trace of forest torn into lifeless skeleton of tree due to acid rain. So answer is acid rain. Question number 24. Large stretch of forest turns into lifeless skeleton of trees due to, the answer is acid rain. Next question. The beautiful building of Krakow are slowly destroyed by acidic smoke. Next question. To meet normal pollution standard, automobile engine have been redesigned. Should be redesigned. Option number C. Next question. This day, every town is facing the problem of what? Air pollution. Next question. Air pollution causes rubber tires. Rubber tires. The option is C. To crack and become porous. Next question. A person living in Kolkata, whether smoker or non-smoker, inhales toxic substance equal to 2 pack of cigarette, that is per day or in a day. Next question. Research is going on seeking way to decrease air pollution. So answer is option D, control air pollution. Next, potassium, calcium and magnesium from dex layer of soil helps tree to grow. So the answer is upper layer of the soil. Next, the number of buses on the roads increase due to growing number of, that is population. Next question. Air contain dex of nitrogen. We all of know that is 78%. That is 78%. Next question. An average adult exchanges dex kg of air per day. So the answer is B, 15 kg of air per day. Next question. Dex execute maximum carbon monoxide into the atmosphere. That is option number A, automobile. Next question. Air pollution has dex effect on building. That is damaging effect on building. Next, the inhalation of polluted air can lead us to respiratory. The answer is disorder. Respiratory disorder. Next question. A person who study weather condition is a, we say him, meteorologist. Next question. The polluted air contain unpleasant gases. So replace the underlined part with a single word. Unpleasant अर्थ कौन हम? That is option number A, obnoxious gas. Next 14 number question. In Sweden, the number of lakes affected by acid rain is, already discussed this question, that is 4,000 lakes. So thank you, and please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.